I'm wearing my mask and my sunglasses. So I just heard the wind like hitting the house here in Aichi Prefecture. Um, and yeah, I can tell it's cold outside. I mean, it's sunny out, but just because it's sunny doesn't mean that it's like warm. I mean, the sun is warm. If you're in the sunshine, then yes, it's warm. But yeah, so I just heard the wind hitting the house, and it was like a howling wind. Um, and so I'm like, oh my gosh, it like must be kind of cold out. I mean, I could see the trees even blowing out there. Uh, there, I don't know if you can tell really, but the trees out there are blowing, and I don't know that. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I mean, like I've never liked wind hitting the house, and my parents recently got snow in America, and they could hear it there, and they said that the wind was blowing on their house too. So I'm like, oh, so everybody has wind. I can still hear it now. I don't know if my iPad is catching it, but I can hear the wind, and wind scares me. 風は冷たい、多分ね、だと思います。風はうるさい、ちょっと聞こえたのね、聞こえたね、聞こえたの。I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yeah, so I mean, even though there's a blue sky outside, I do not like wind, especially if wind is coming from Kita, north, like Iwate or Awamori, or what else is up there? And like the tip of Honshu. Well, like I don't like wind coming from that direction. Tokyo even. We're below Tokyo. Yeah, we're below Tokyo. No, like we're, Nagoya is right next to where I am, city-wise, and so like yeah. But anyways, wind is cold, and I don't know. But now I think of One Musume 1-5. 冷たい風のはい、そうですね。